Our planet, a vibrant tapestry of life and geological marvels, never ceases to astonish. From the deepest oceans to the highest peaks, it cradles an extraordinary diversity of forms and phenomena. We have, over millennia, sought to understand and catalogue these wonders. Yet there are still corners of our world that hold secrets so profound, so exquisitely rare that their very existence seems to whisper of an almost magical artistry at play in the natural world. These are not the everyday spectacles, but the fleeting glimpses of the exceptional, the statistically improbable, the breathtakingly unique. Earth is home to countless wonders, but some things are so rare that they defy belief. Here are a few of the rarest things on the planet. These are occurrences and entities that, by chance or by the slow, deliberate hand of geological time and evolutionary process, have emerged as true outliers. They challenge our perceptions of what is possible and remind us of the intricate, often delicate balance that allows such rarities to persist, even if only for a fleeting moment in the grand cosmic scale. Join me as we embark on a journey to uncover some of these remarkable treasures. We will traverse continents and delve into the heart of natural phenomena, exploring items so scarce they are known to only a dedicated few, or creatures whose unique characteristics set them apart from all others. Prepare to be captivated by the sheer improbability and the profound beauty of these rare wonders, each a testament to the Earth's boundless capacity for creation and surprise. Deep within the Earth, under immense pressure and over eons of geological time, minerals crystallize into forms of breathtaking beauty. Some, like quartz or calcite, are abundant, found across the globe, but others are so elusive that their discovery sends ripples through the scientific community. Such is the story of painite. For many years, this remarkable mineral held the Guinness World Record as the rarest gemstone on Earth. Its initial discovery in the 1950s in Myanmar, then Burma, was a singular event. For decades, only 2, then 3 faceted crystals were known to exist, each a tiny fragment of a mineralogical enigma, a whisper from the planet's deep interior that took decades to fully comprehend. The source of this extraordinary scarcity lies in its unique geological origins and complex chemistry. Painite is a borate mineral forming in specific, highly unusual conditions, primarily within the gem-rich region of Mogok in Myanmar. It requires the precise coming together of elements that seldom meet in nature's crucible: calcium, zirconium, boron, aluminium, and oxygen, with trace amounts of chromium and vanadium which contribute to its distinctive coloration. The specific pegmatitic or metamorphic environments needed for its crystallization are themselves a rarity, making each find a remarkable geological happenstance, a testament to the planet's intricate and often localized mineral-forming processes. Its appearance is as captivating as its rarity. Painite typically exhibits a deep, rich, reddish-brown, sometimes almost orange or brownish-red hue, a fiery heart trapped within a hexagonal crystal structure. This unique color, combined with its incredible scarcity, makes it exceptionally prized by mineral collectors and gem connoisseurs. While more specimens have been found since the early 2000s, largely due to intensified exploration, high-quality, faceable painite remains exceptionally rare. Each piece is a fragment of geological history, a beautiful anomaly that reminds us of the hidden treasures still waiting to be uncovered within the Earth's crust, and the enduring allure of that which is almost impossibly scarce. The vast, often mysterious depths of our oceans teem with life, much of which displays an astonishing array of colors and forms. Among the crustaceans, the familiar lobster, typically a mottled greenish-brown or brownish-orange in its natural habitat, transforms into a vibrant red only when cooked. Yet nature occasionally produces a startling deviation from this norm, an aberration so striking it seems almost mythical. I speak, of course, of the blue lobster. The odds of encountering one of these cerulean marvels are staggeringly low, estimated to be around 1 in every 2 million individuals. Such a find is a moment of pure serendipity for any fisherman or marine biologist, a living jewel plucked from the ocean's embrace. This extraordinary coloration is not a mark of a different species, but rather the result of a rare genetic anomaly. It stems from a particular mutation that causes the lobster to overproduce a specific protein called crustaceanin. This protein, when binding with the carotenoid pigment astaxanthin, which is responsible for the red color when cooked, shifts the perceived color of the lobster's shell to this brilliant, almost electric blue. It's a subtle change at the molecular level, yet it results in a visual spectacle that sets these individuals dramatically apart from their more conventionally colored brethren. This genetic quirk is a reminder of the constant subtle variations that underpin the evolutionary process, occasionally surfacing as something truly remarkable. While the blue lobster captures the imagination with its vivid hue, it is but one example of nature's chromatic eccentricities within this family. Even rarer are lobsters exhibiting other startling colors. Yellow individuals, sometimes called golden lobsters, are estimated at 1 in 30 million. Albino, or ghost lobsters, lacking any pigment, are rarer still, perhaps 1 in 100 million. And then there are the calico or split-colored lobsters, displaying a mosaic of different shades, each a unique genetic masterpiece. These chromatic aberrations, though incredibly infrequent, highlight the dazzling diversity that can arise from the intricate dance of genes within a single species, painting the deep with unexpected flashes of brilliance. Chapter 3. Among the avian wonders of our world, some birds captivate with their song, others with their plumage, and few, like the northern bald ibis, command attention through their sheer, unadorned peculiarity and their poignant story of survival. This is a bird of striking, almost prehistoric appearance. A glossy black body gives way to a featherless head, its wrinkled skin a curious shade of pinkish red, crowned with a shaggy ruff of feathers at the nape. Its long, downward curving bill, perfectly adapted for probing the earth for insects and small creatures, completes its distinctive silhouette. It is a visage that speaks of ancient lineages, a bird that once graced a far wider swathe of our planet. Historically, the northern bald ibis enjoyed a much broader distribution. Its colonies found across the rocky cliffs and arid landscapes of southern and central Europe, North Africa, and the Middle East. It featured in ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs and was known to cultures across its range. However, the centuries have not been kind to this remarkable species. A combination of factors, including habitat loss due to agricultural expansion and human development, widespread pesticide use impacting its food sources, and historical hunting, has led to a catastrophic decline in its numbers. Its story is a stark reminder of how human activity can inadvertently push even once widespread species to the very brink. Today, the northern bald ibis is classified as critically endangered. The wild breeding population is perilously small, with fewer than 1,000 individuals clinging to existence, primarily in a few isolated colonies in Morocco, and a tiny relic population in Syria, whose fate is uncertain. Dedicated conservation efforts, including captive breeding programs and reintroduction projects in Europe, offer a glimmer of hope. Yet the survival of this ancient bird in the wild hangs precariously in the balance, a testament to the fragility of biodiversity and the urgent need for concerted action to protect such unique and irreplaceable members of our planet's avifauna. Their sparse, scattered colonies are precious, fragile outposts of a once more common sight in our skies. Chapter 4. Fire, one of humanity's oldest companions and nature's most transformative forces, typically requires a source of fuel and ignition, and is often ephemeral, yet in certain rare geological settings, conditions conspire to create a phenomenon that defies this transience, the natural, eternal flame. One of the most captivating and accessible examples of this extraordinary occurrence can be found nestled behind a waterfall in Chestnut Ridge Park, New York. Here, within a small grotto carved into the shale rock, a flame flickers, seemingly undeterred by the cascading water that surrounds it, a beacon of persistence in a moist, cool environment. The secret to this enduring fire lies deep beneath the Earth's surface. The shale rock in this region is fractured, and these fissures act as conduits for natural gas, primarily methane, seeping upwards from ancient deposits. When this gas reaches the surface and encounters an ignition source, perhaps a lightning strike in antiquity, or even, as some local legends suggest, an accidental spark from early human activity, it can ignite. If the flow of gas is consistent and the conditions right, the flame can burn continuously, sometimes for years, decades, or even, as the name suggests, seemingly eternally, provided the gas supply remains uninterrupted and the flame is sheltered enough to resist extinguishment. The sight of this flame, burning brightly even as water tumbles nearby, is a truly remarkable spectacle. It is a delicate dance between the elements, the combustible gas from the earth, the oxygen from the air, and the ever-present water that seems to frame, rather than quench, its fiery heart. While other similar natural gas seeps exist around the world, few present themselves with such picturesque and persistent incandescence. This whispering fire of Chestnut Ridge Park serves as a rare and wondrous example of the Earth's hidden geological processes, manifesting in a display that is both beautiful and scientifically fascinating, a small, constant miracle in a world of change. Chapter 5. The Earth's crust is a treasure trove of crystalline beauty, but few gemstones possess the allure, the rarity, and the geographically restricted origin of tanzanite. This extraordinary gem, with its captivating spectrum of blues and violets, is found in only one place on Earth. A tiny, 4-kilometer-long strip of land in the Merelani Hills of northern Tanzania, nestled in the geological shadow of the majestic Mount Kilimanjaro. This singular provenance contributes significantly to its mystique and its value, making it a true child of this specific, unique corner of the African continent. Its discovery in 1967 was relatively recent in gemological terms, yet it quickly captivated the world with its unique trichroic properties, meaning it can display different colors when viewed from different angles. Tanzanite is a blue to violet variety of the mineral zoisite. Its remarkable coloration attributed to the presence of small amounts of vanadium within its crystal structure, often enhanced by careful heat treatment. What truly sets it apart, beyond its beauty, is its exceptional rarity. Gem experts estimate that tanzanite is approximately 1,000 times rarer than diamond. While diamonds are found in various locations across several continents, the entire known global reserve of this stunning blue gem is confined to that one small Tanzanian enclave. This incredible geological fluke means that its supply is inherently finite, a treasure born of a very specific and unrepeatable set of geological circumstances millions of years ago. This extreme scarcity carries with it a poignant reality. The only known source of tanzanite is predicted to be depleted within a generation, perhaps in as little as 20 to 30 years. This impending exhaustion of its mines means that those who possess tanzanite today hold a piece of a fleeting geological wonder. It is a gem whose beauty is matched only by its ephemeral nature in the grand timescale of Earth's resources. The vibrant blues and purples of tanzanite are not just aesthetically pleasing, they are a reminder of the precious, finite nature of some of our planet's most exquisite creations, urging us to appreciate these wonders while they are still within our reach. From the deep fire of painite, born in Earth's crucible, to the azure surprise of a blue lobster navigating the ocean currents and the tenacious flicker of an eternal flame, our journey has illuminated but a few of the planet's most extraordinary and seldom seen marvels. We have witnessed the precarious flight of the northern bald ibis, a living relic fighting for its future, and marveled at the ephemeral beauty of tanzanite, a gem whose time on Earth is fleeting. Each of these rarities tells a unique story of geological chance, biological adaptation, or delicate survival. These rare wonders remind us how precious and unique Earth's creations can be. They are not merely curiosities, they are profound expressions of the planet's intricate processes and its boundless capacity for generating beauty and complexity. The sheer improbability of their existence underscores the delicate balance of conditions required to bring them forth and, in many cases, to sustain them. They serve as potent symbols of what we stand to lose if we fail to appreciate and protect the natural world in all its diverse splendor. The Earth continues to hold its secrets, and perhaps countless other rarities await discovery. But for those we do know, their existence enriches our understanding of this world and inspires a deep sense of awe. Let us carry with us the images of these exceptional phenomena, not just as fleeting entertainment, but as a call to cherish the wild, the unusual, and the unique, For it is in these rare treasures that we often find the purest reflection of our planet's incredible and often fragile magnificence.